Oh my god, this is too hot. Okay, now she's dancing, you can see that. Hey, hi guys. Right now it's what time? 12:30, and we are going to which temple?
Simhachalam Temple.
Simhachalam Temple. It is a beautiful temple located in Vizag. So we thought let's go and check out the temple. I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. और वैसे भी बहुत दिन से हम लोग temple नहीं गए हैं. So we thought it would be a good opportunity for all of us to visit a temple. So वाइजैग के बहुत सारे आपको दृश्य या शॉट्स जो है हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे. कोशिश करेंगे कि मैक्सिमम हम लोग कर सके. ये जो ट्रिप है ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक टाइम, नॉट एवरीथिंग इज ओपन. वी कुड गो टू द एक्वेरियम yesterday, but we could not take photographs or videos, but no problem. बाकी हम आपको जितना हो सकता है हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे.
Photos and videos, but I have to get money for it.
Oh, fantastic! That's a good update. But that is not the reason we did not take the videos. But anyway, so we are right now on one of the busy roads of Vizag. You can check that out. I hope my camera, the other camera, is taking all the required videos. We faced some problem on our tour to Vizag. कुछ videos record नहीं हो पाए हैं. I'm hopeful that it is now recording rightly. Anyway, enjoy कीजिए videos and keep supporting us. I think मैंने ये पहले भी कहा था the day we entered Vizag, the kind of landscape, the natural landscape that Vizag has to offer to your eyes, absolutely beautiful. देखने लायक है, right? Every time you see here on the left or on the right, you will be crossing some mountain or the other, or some small hills, you know, or the other. बहुत ही सुंदर है, and thankful to God that we have such a beautiful naturally carved out city comes down in India. That's wonderful. Anyway, let's continue. Absolutely a stunning road through which we are going right now, and I don't know the name of the road, but whichever road it is, it's beautiful. दोनों तरफ जो beauty है, the nature's beauty, fantastic. पायल को बहुत कुछ बताना था इसके बारे में. हाँ पायल, बताइए आपको क्या बताना था.
It's amazing क्योंकि सुबह समंदर देखा और अब पर्वत ही पर्वत, so it's like magical.
Absolutely magical, yeah. You get to see the sea, you get to see the mountains, everything, every possible beauty of the nature in one place. So that is wonderful. Really, Vizag and the Vizagians. I'm really jealous of you guys, man. You guys are lucky and we are very jealous of you guys. Okay, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ सामने का जो भी वीडियो. And the kids are having a color time, it seems, although I cannot locate them, Both of them are high. Oh, they are enjoying. They are enjoying for sure. The scenic beauty. There you go, Tisha. But where is Rishi? I don't know where is Rishi. But anyway, we'll keep coming back. Oh, there is Rishi. We'll keep coming back. Hey, hi guys. So we have reached the temple. It's beautiful piece of architecture. This is one beautiful architecture that I like about all the temples in the southern part of our country. Beautiful, and looking forward to it. But we cannot take videos or photographs inside the temple. So this is the only glimpse that I can show you. I can give you. That's about it. So anyway, दर्शन करके आते हैं, फिर बात करेंगे. Bye. Okay guys, so we are done visiting the wonderful temple of Narsingha. So it is the temple of Narsingha Bhagwan, and right now the kids are having a roller coaster barefoot ride. Right? It's way too hot, but this is not that hot, right? This is not that hot, but they are having a lovely time. You can look at Tisha. She's running. No, this one is hot. So she's running like a hell. But where is Mama? Mama is coming. There's Mama. There she is. Okay. So slippers is that side. So great. So we'll get our slippers and then we'll connect with you again. Bye bye. Okay guys, one quick update regarding the ticket amount that we paid. We should have realized that you're visiting a mandir, and when you're visiting a mandir, you don't have to pay for it. You don't pay for it. But when we took the tickets, we never realized it. Maybe after a long time we came to the mandir. Why am I saying so? There is a free entry, but you can still pay 100 to jump the queue. But the thing is that due to the pandemic, there is not a lot of crowd around you. So you can even take the 100 rupees ticket if you don't want to do a free darshan. The only difference between 100 and the free darshan is you are closer to the idol when you pray in front of the idol. You're closer to the idol. That's the only difference. But otherwise, you can take a free entry. You need not buy a ticket. How did it?
Was interesting.
How's the experience, Tisha?
Good and bad.
Good and bad. Why bad? Because of the bear. And what about you, Rishi? How was it?
It was good, but only the bad part was that the road was hot.
The road was hot. So if you're walking barefoot on a tar road, it is going to give you a hot hug from the bottom. Hug, yeah, whatever that is there. Okay. And let's ask Mama. Okay, how was it, Mama?
बहुत अच्छा था. पहले तो मैंने फिंगर्स क्रॉस रखा था कि मंदिर में एंट्री मिलेगी कि नहीं, बट फॉर्चुनेटली वी गॉट द एंट्री एंड इट वाज गुड, इंटरेस्टिंग. और 300 और 100 के चक्कर में मत पड़िए. 100 में कर लीजिए, सामने से देखने को मिलेगा.
And as I said, free में भी ठीक ही है, right? God is everywhere. Even if you can, even if you can see the idol from a distance, it is not a deal breaker. God is always with you, close to you, around you. Okay. तो वापस आते हैं थोड़ी देर में. पहले चप्पल ढूंढते हैं, बहुत दूर तक जाना पड़ेगा अभी बिना चप्पल के. Oh my God, this is too hot. Okay, now she's dancing. You can see that. Okay, a furthermore update. What is best to do when you visit this temple? अगर आपके पास चप्पल है, if you're carrying your own footwear, you need to take those off. I mean, take your footwear off just before the entrance of the temple. The exit point is not there. So from the point you exit and the point to entry, the distance between the exit to the entry, it's quite a bit. And then you have to walk barefoot and that too in this hot weather. The entire road is so damn hot that it is going to hurt your feet from beneath, right? So now I'm carrying all the slippers, as you can see, from the entry point, and I'm heading towards the car parking where Rishi and Tisha are waiting for Payal and me. Now I have asked Payal also to wait at a distance so that she did not work on this hot tar road and hurt herself. There's no point. So आपको क्या करना है, दो जोड़े जूते लाइए आप या चप्पल लाइए. जहाँ से एग्जिट पॉइंट है वहीं पे कार पार्किंग एरिया है. So you can keep a pair out there in your car maybe, and then you walk down to the entry. So when you take the exit, you don't have to walk barefoot a big distance. Put on your shoes, right? You can take that extra pair out of your car, put them on, walk down to the entrance point again, and then take your slippers or your footwear. That is one thing that you have to do. So we have learned it the hard way. So I'm just putting this across so that you're well informed and you carry a pair of footwear. Okay, thanks guys. We'll catch up with you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, from the temple, right now we are going to Yarara beach, and on our way, because it is on a mountain, this particular temple, we got a view of the city from the top, and I thought that this is worth taking. And if you can see, the entire view of the city is visible to you. There you go. I'm not sure how good it is. This kind of view cannot be justified by mobile phone cameras. And if you see in here, that mountain with the sunlight on top of the mountain, and then out here you have a region where there is no sunlight. There's there is a shady area out here, and it's looking wonderful. Hope you like this view. चलिए चलते हैं.